Welcome back to my channel Biology Brain. Today we are going to discuss about Bhava Ethnic Research Center PhD JRF 2025 admission. This is the official website. You have to scroll down here. You will get JRF notification and PDF, all information in PDF form. This is the PDF. Let's see this PDF. I already highlighted all the important points here. This one. So this is the PDF given by BARC Center. Already this application has started from 28th April. Last date is 19th May. So BARC is providing JRF for physical, chemical, and life science. All the research areas, physical science subject, these are the topics, many topics, chemical science. As I am a life science student, these are many research area, cancer biology, diagnostics, therapeutics, immunology. These things they provided. You have to cross-check it properly. Then next, age limit is that person should be an Indian and age is less than 28 years. If she or he is having OBC non-creamy layer, 3 years up to the relaxation age they will get. And if they are scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, 5 years of age relaxation they are getting. And if any physical disabilities are there, 10 years of age relaxations are there. Next, eligibility criteria. First thing in is eligibility is they should have a valid certificate of any one of national level of examination like UGC, CSR, NET, JST score, ICMR, ICR, JRF, DBT, JRF, or JRFB, GET score, and JGPS. So these are the at least one they should have. So according to this, they can scrutinize and they can check according to the academic performance and this qualifying marks based on this merit list. Based on this performance, they will create one merit list. And this out of this all type of examination, they should have a valid score. It should be valid up to 1st 8th 2025. Second criteria is if they did MSc or BSc, they should get 60% and MSc 50% should be there. And if suppose they have done integrated MSc or BSMS, 55% aggregate marks required. Candidate, if they are did bachelor degree, 4 years or 8 semester bachelor degree, 75% aggregate required. If they have done MSc but still they have not received the result and they can apply for this. But for that, what they have to give the BSc mark sheet along with MSc first year mark sheet with 55% aggregate and 60% of marks in BSc mandatory. Such candidate eventually joining the F fellowship should require aggregate marks of 55% of MSc qualifying degree. Okay, so these are the qualification and candidate who have completed but awaiting final year MS integrated MSc, 50% marks up to 8 semester required. And them who are joining for fellowship acquire aggregate marks of 55% of 5 year integrated MSc. So these are the eligibility you have to check properly actually. Candidate who have 4 year or 8 semester bachelor degree, 75% aggregate up to 6th semester required. So you have to cross check this properly, each and every point. Next, if they are getting result in their BSc or MSc time is CGPA or GPA system, they have to convert it to the percentage and enter in their application. Then in MSc or integrated MSc, what qualification or what subjects should be there? If they have physical science as the main subject, then mathematics should be the another additional subject will be there. Chemistry, for chemistry, these are the physics, either physics or mathematics. Life science, physics, chemistry or biochemistry or agricultural chemistry, they should have in 1 year. Okay, that's the additional subject. Candidate with MSc, integrated MSc, specialization in electronics and instrumentation are not eligible to apply. So them who have done in this area, they can't apply for it. So these are the important point you have to know. Next, selection procedure based on this national qualifying exam and academic performance. They will shortlist the candidate for the interview. Interview date also they mentioned. Later I will discuss about it. The final selection will be based on the performance of candidate in interview. So for interview, they will take those students based on their this national qualifying exams like NET, GATE marks and their academic performance of BS and MSc. Other general instruction they provided here. The next application fee is 500. How to apply? This is the official website. I will provide it. Online application submission should be there. Next, these are the traveling allowance they will provide. Candidate called for interview will be reimbursement to and from third AC railway. These things also you can check it properly because it will you will get that reimbursement if you for as a travel allowance. Next, fellowship. Fellowship is the most important part. For JRF, they will provide 37,000 per month as fellowship. For SRF, they will provide 42,000 per month and 60,000 per including that all allowance or contingents they will provide. Termination, if they will find out the candidate is not doing satisfactorily work, so they can terminate it also. It depends on them. Then accommodation, they will provide hostel accommodation. HRA, they can provide up to 30% fellowship. Okay. Cancellation of candidate they can do depends on them. And started this application started already from 28th April. Last date it is 19th May. So as soon as possibly apply for it. Important notes they have given here. Application is deemed to have been received only after uploading the following by the last date of receipt. That is the mandatory thing. These are two official website. You have to go through this website. All information you will get here. Thank you. Bye bye and see you soon. All the very best for them who are going for this interview. Thank you.